In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum checkboxes in Google Sheets. This is a handy trick that can save you a lot of time and effort when working with data where you need to keep track of selections or completions. Whether you're managing a task list, tracking attendance, or compiling survey results, summing up checkboxes can offer a great visual summary and make data analysis a breeze. Let's start by opening up a Google Sheet. You can either create a new sheet or open an existing one that contains the data with checkboxes you want to sum. Make sure that the columns where you've added checkboxes are clearly laid out, as this will make the process much smoother. Now move your cursor over to cell G2. This is where we're going to input our formula. By placing the formula here, we're setting up a dedicated space that will dynamically calculate the sum of all checked boxes in a specified range. It's a great way to ensure that any updates made to the checkboxes are automatically counted without having to constantly redo calculations manually. With cell G2 selected, it's time to enter our formula. Type in the following: sum countif b2 f2 true. This formula uses the countif function to evaluate the range from b2 to f2, where your checkboxes reside. It counts how many of those are marked as true, which signifies that a checkbox is checked. The sum function then totals up the count from this range, giving you the desired sum of checked boxes. Once you've entered the formula, go ahead and hit the Enter key. This will execute the formula you've just typed and display the result in cell G2. If any checkboxes between B2 and F2 are checked, you should see a number representing their sum. Now, if you have multiple rows of checkboxes and you want to sum each row in the same manner, you can use the autofill feature to quickly apply this formula across additional rows. Simply click back into the cell containing your formula and look for the small blue square in the cell's bottom right corner. Click and drag this square downwards to extend the formula to other rows. Autofill is a powerful feature that can save you heaps of time, especially when dealing with larger datasets. Finally, with your formulas in place, you can start interacting with your checkboxes. Click on any checkbox within your specified range, and you'll notice that the sum updates dynamically. This real-time calculation enables you to quickly see changes and easily manage your data. That's it. You've successfully set up your Google Sheet to sum checkboxes, making it more efficient and easier to use.